And we begin this afternoon with that 13 weather impact alert. You've been watching our weather coverage all afternoon. The possibility of strong to severe storms here in West Michigan.
And already some tornadoes have been reported south of us near the Indiana border. Lindsay Whitaker shared this video from Three Rivers showing lots of debris flying around near a Menards and storage facility.
You can just watch it flying through the air.
Wow.
Yeah, there it goes. There's the roof right there. And then there's another video sent to us from Leah Osborne showing the damage from that potential tornado. We do have a crew almost there to Three Rivers right now, and we will have live reports coming up later this hour.
So this is what it looks like in our area right now. Very foggy, rainy from the lakeshore to Grand Rapids. We'll have that in just a few minutes. But right here, we can see the foggy, rainy in our area, not the tornadoes that we were seeing south of us.
Yeah, that was in Three Rivers. But again, we have team coverage this afternoon. Both of our meteorologists, Blake Hansen and Amber Twardy, are in the Weather Center now with the very latest.
Yes, Julia and Elena, of course, you saw that video just a second ago of that confirmed tornado in the Three Rivers area there in St. Joseph County in the southwest side of town, impacting the Menards. It's also a tented storage unit. And also this same thunderstorm has produced a tornado in the Union City area right on the Branch Calhoun County line.
Yes, and then that tornado is still continuing to track to the east-northeast, so that's why our tornado warning is still in effect through much of Southern California.
Yeah, still in effect, and as we go to satellite and radar, I do want to make it clear the bulk of West Michigan right now not contending with severe weather. Yes, we have active rain going on right now, stretching from Holland, Muskegon into the greater Grand Rapids area, even farther to the north and east, but none of that is on the severe side by any means. Our focus still remains this ongoing severe thunderstorm, this tornadic thunderstorm progressing through the eastern half now of Calhoun County.